Hey guys, Steve from Kawi Performance. In today's episode, we're going to talk about the STX 160 fuel pump. As we showed you in our previous videos, this is the stock fuel bag and this is the KP fuel bag. If you have fuel issues, more than likely it is because of this bag being clogged and you might have a bad fuel pump. In today's video, we're going to show you how to replace the bag, but in the next video, we will show you how to replace the pump as well. The first thing you want to do is remove the fuel float so that you do not damage it. We're going to pull this connector off here, just like that, and be very careful when you clip this zip tie here. Okay, so you have your float here, and it might be a little tricky to get this off. It has to go forward like that, but just give it a little push and it comes off just like that. Now we have to remove this bottom cap here. This one is usually pretty loose, but the one down in here is not. So you're gonna need a screwdriver to push down in here and push on this little tab. And pull it off just like that. Now you can see how nasty this bag is. Look at this, it's fully clogged. I'll pull this off just like that. Absolutely disgusting. Now we're going to install the KP fuel bag here. Obviously it is a bit larger. The first thing you need to do is clip these tabs off here. So here's one, here's two. Now that we have these clipped, we're going to have to trim this down a little bit. We're going to use a fresh razor blade, and please do not cut yourself. Now we're going to take the KP fuel bag and install it just like that. Next, we're going to take your cap. You're going to stuff the fuel bag in just like that, and you're going to push forward. Just like that, done. Next, we're gonna reinstall the float. Same thing as removal. Push it down till it clicks.